To set up the elephant quiz, we're going to focus on the title, the questions, the pictures, but not worry about what the score is, what the answers are, how to work out whether they're correct or not. So this is what we're going to be aiming for in this part, this first video. So I've got a blank spreadsheet here, it's untitled, so I'm going to call it Elephant Quiz. And that's also going to be my title for the top of the quiz. Now I'd like to change that font. I don't need to do that while I'm writing, but afterwards I can click on it, I can change the size, I can make it bold, I can even change which font I want to use. And you can see that that's spilling over from cell A1 into B1. Now that's not great, so I'm going to resize column A so that fits in. I'm going to resize column B as well to match, just by dragging that line that's in between one column and the next to make it bigger, like this. Now I'd like this title to go over the two columns between A and B, because I'm going to have a question here and a question here. I want that to join across the top. So I'm going to highlight the two places here, and this button says merge cells. That will join the two together. I can use here to center align it over the middle, and there it is. Now my first question what kind of elephant is this? I'm going to need twice, so I can copy this. I'm using the shortcut Control-C, and then I can paste Control-V, so I've got the same question on both. Now look, what kind of elephant is this? Is cut off just at the end of cell A3. So both of these are going to need to go over two lines. Now the tool we use is called text wrapping, and I need the one that says wrap here to make this go over two lines. Let's center align those to make them look better, and now we are ready to add our pictures of elephants. Now I've already downloaded the elephant, so I'm just going to be able to drag these in. What I can do is insert image. These are saved in my download, so I can just drag them on. Here is an African elephant. Takes a moment to appear. Now my African elephant is kind of large. I suppose elephants are meant to be, but I'd like it to be a little smaller so it fits in the width of that column like this. And I'm going to insert an Asian elephant into here. Insert image. And I'll resize that one as well to match the space that I have. Let's make them the same height. Now at the moment that goes over several cells. You can see all the way from 4 down to 12 the rows are taken up with this one thing, which is the elephants. Now I can make row 4 much taller to help that fit in by dragging, just the same as we did to resize columns, by dragging the cell taller. What kind of elephant is this? We're going to have an answer here, and we're going to know whether it's correct. It will tell us there. Let's leave a couple of spaces and put in the score there. Score should be center aligned, and this text should be just a little bit bigger. There we have the basics of our elephant